Okay, so YouTube actually sent me a gift. Now the gift is inside this envelope and I'm really excited. This is the first time I'm receiving a gift from YouTube. I have not really gotten the YouTube plaque, the plaque that you have to hang somewhere inside your studio and people can see it whenever you are making videos. I mean, that's really cool, but you need like 100,000 subscribers to get that from YouTube. But we are going to get back to this gift from YouTube. I'm going to unbox it and tell you why YouTube sent me this gift and how you can be able to get this gift for yourself. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. Now, this is what we have here. We have the YouTube pack. Let me keep this. There's YouTube telling me YouTube appreciates you. Now, this is really beautiful, right? And on top of here, they say YouTube sticker pack for one. Now, listen up. This is a sticker from YouTube. It's a gift. How beautiful can this be? YouTube have paid me thousands of dollars on this channel and I appreciate it, the opportunity to create videos and make money. But for them to send me a sticker, I mean, that's beautiful, man. I'm going to open this sticker, stick it in my MacBook or somewhere in my studio or stuff like that. And that would be really beautiful. Now at the back, you can see the creator sticker and all that. So there's so many things inside this sticker. I think we should open it up for me to show you what we have here. Right? Okay, so we'll go from top to bottom. Oh man, this is beautiful. So these YouTube appreciating me stickers. Over here, I have the creator sticker. You can see that, right? Beautiful. Okay, I have the YouTube sticker. That was wonderful. And I also have the popular creator sticker. You can see that with the background and this is really beautiful too. Now over here I have YouTube saying thank you for filling out our survey. YouTube appreciates you with the YouTube logo. Now if you are asking why YouTube is sending this guy a gift or a sticker, is because I'm completing YouTube's survey. You have to complete it. I know that some of you YouTubers don't want to complete it. Whenever YouTube tell you to help us to complete this survey, tell us how you feel about YouTube as a creator, and you ignore the message, I mean, you are missing a lot, right? You are not contributing to the growth of YouTube because you only care about making videos. You don't want to share your opinions with YouTube. So try completing those surveys. Now, this is how this survey came about. Okay, now I don't think it's any type of survey from YouTube, but I think you should be completing all surveys from YouTube. Now let me jump in my MacBook and show you what survey I'm talking about. Okay, so 7 months ago, YouTube sent me what they call YouTube Partner Manager. Now, what does this person do? They say the YouTube Partner Manager team exists to help you get the most out of your YouTube channel. Our invite-only program supports creators in various ways. Creators who are looking to learn growth strategies, connect with like-minded creators, or want to chat with someone knowledgeable at YouTube will benefit from YouTube Partner Manager. So I was having this YouTube Partner Manager for 6 months. It was a great program. I love it. They share stuff for you to grow your channel. Now they share stuff with you. If you do it, you start having results. If you don't do it, you will not have any results. That's how it works. So they sent me the first partner. I completed the 6 months program. They have sent me another one that I'm currently working with right now. So that's how these gifts and stickers from YouTube came about, and I really appreciate that. Okay, YouTube, thank you. I really love this. Now you guys know that this particular channel is actually to help creators who are facing reuse content, demonetization, copyright strike, and all manner of stuff on their channel, right? And I'm making this particular video, posting it in this channel because I want to share with you guys what YouTube can do. Now this sticker did not come because of this particular channel. It came because of my main faceless YouTube channel, but I'm sharing it right here in this channel because I'm using my face in this particular channel. So do you think having a YouTube Partner Manager will help you as a creator to elevate your channel and go to the next level? Do you think it's something you love? Do you want to get this gift for yourself? I mean, I can send you some of it. It's literally too many, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you really want to get your own gift from YouTube. That's how it works. Peace. Catch you guys later.